everyone, welcome. In this video I'll show you quickly how you can use Instabridge Wi-Fi password. So Instabridge is a free app that helps you connect to share Wi-Fi networks worldwide. In this tutorial we'll show you step by step how you use Instabridge to find and connect to Wi-Fi hotspots near you. Firstly, of course, you will need to download the Instabridge app from the Google Play Store or Apple Store. When you open the app for the first time, sign up with your Google account, Facebook or email to get started. Once in the app, Instabridge will use your location to display available Wi-Fi networks near you. Tap on any network to see details. Instabridge provides access to shared passwords for networks contributed by other users. To connect to a network, tap on it and Instabridge will automatically attempt to connect. If the network requires a password, the app will fill it in for you. Once connected, you can browse the internet without restrictions. And you are now connected and you can enjoy your Wi-Fi. Guys, subscribe for more tech tutorials, like this video if this helped, and I'll see you in the next one.